Hey, I'm Laura and welcome to my channel where I cook lots of family-friendly recipes like today's chicken stew for busy families. If that is your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook something new every single week. So today's chicken stew is gonna go all in our slow cooker. It can cook on high or on low, whatever fits your schedule. While not super necessary, I do like to brown my chicken pieces in a pan because my slow cooker is kind of ancient and does not have a browning setting. If your slow cooker or multi-purpose cooker has a browning setting, you could brown the chicken directly in it. You just want to brown it with a little bit of oil. So I'm gonna season them with a little bit of salt so the chicken is tastier and some fresh ground pepper. And with some tongs, you're gonna flip them over once that first side is nicely browned. Now, if you're doing that directly in the slow cooker, you're gonna have all of the chicken juices and tidbits at the bottom, which add so much flavor. Now, once your chicken pieces are browned in every side, what I like to do is literally take the chicken and place it directly in the slow cooker with any juices and all. Now, after you brown the chicken, everything else is super simple, like all slower cooker recipes. I'm going to add some chopped onions. I'm also gonna add some celery and carrots. I'm gonna coarsely chop them and add them into my slow cooker. I'm also going to add some golden potatoes that I saved us some time and peeled and coarsely chopped as well. I'm gonna add my seasoning, some salt, and freshly ground pepper. All I have to do now is add my stock to the slow cooker and stir everything around. I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves and cover it. All I have to do now is cook it on high for 4 to 5 hours or 6 to 7 on low. One final step. All right, guys, so I'm back in front of my slow cooker and let's check it out. As you can see, it's not as thick as a traditional stew just yet. In the last 30 minutes of cooking, we're gonna add our peas in. I just used frozen peas, so you can use canned peas as well. To give this stew a thicker consistency, I'm going to take a little bit of half and half and some cornstarch and mix that together really well. Then I'm gonna take this mixture and pour it in my slow cooker, take my ladle and give it a good mix, and put my lid back on for another 30 minutes. This is going to thicken up this stew and it'll be ready to serve. All right, guys, it's been 30 minutes. Let's check out how thick this chicken stew is. It's nice and hearty. It's filled with potatoes and chicken and veggies. They're very tender. Let's try it. Really good. It's got that rich and thick stew consistency that we all love. Make sure to grab the ingredients and measurement right below the video. And if you love this type of family meals, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook new ones every single week. See you next time.